Welcome back to American Arms Channel, ladies and gentlemen. There's a train in the background, which is really annoying, but oh well, we're out here on the plains of Nebraska once again, and I'm standing here with the Henry Big Loop Color Case Hardened Octagon Barrel H012 GRCC. Henry needs better model numbers, but this is the Color Case Hardened Carbine in 44 Magnum, and this is going to be, hopefully, in just 2 weeks, a deer killer for me. I have a hand load here, XTP 240 grains by Hornady, and this is being shoved down range with 24 grains of Lil Gun and a CCI number 350 Magnum large pistol primer. What does that mean? That means out of this rifle, we're getting about 1,710 feet per second average. That is a lot of butt-kicking power for such a very mild shooting rifle. Now I've taken the buckhorn sight, rear sight off and added a taller front sight. I have a Ranger Point Precision ghost ring, rear aperture sight. All of that means is I've done a little bit of customization, but nothing internally other than I have cleaned up the trigger. We're gonna put this on my bog tripod just to get a steady rest. We're gonna see what it does for a 3-round group at 50 yards, just making sure I'm zeroed, because 2 Saturdays from now, I'm gonna put some meat on the table, if God sees it to be fit. All right, so all ad hoc here, fading light, just like we always see in the deer woods. Get our ear pro on, and we are going to try and take 3 consistent shots. Let's see. Having trouble seeing that little tiny dot here in the fading light, but those definitely have a little bit of butt whoop, and out of a 20-inch barrel would probably be getting into the 1,850 foot per second range. So let's go down range and see what our group size is. All right, so here's our 3 shots, 1, 2, and 3. Definitely not that amazing, but I do know this with this peep sight and good light. At about 50 yards, I can shoot about 1.5 to 2-inch group, which is more than acceptable, and I know that I can put a 4-inch group together at 100 yards. So being a brush gun, that is perfectly acceptable for a deer. You got 10 inches to play with on the vital zone of a deer, and also I'd shoot tighter if I could actually see the target a little bit better. It's pretty hard to see this dot here in this fading light. I'm pretty dang confident with it. I've been having a lot of fun, and this is really a thumper of a load out of this little 16-inch carbine. So we'll talk more about this rifle after I get through hunting season and I get the time to put it to review. But so far, I've been very, very happy with this carbine. Very smooth. I did clean up the trigger because it was kind of heavy out of the box, but otherwise, just absolutely fantastic little carbine. Definitely worth the price point. As always, guys, you got any questions, leave them in the comments section below. If you're not subscribed to American Arms Channel and you want to stay up to date on everything here on the channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell to stay up to date on everything we do. As always, guys, God bless. Keep your powder dry. I'll see you in the next video.